Have you had a Power Query step that suddenly breaks after you made a small change? In Power Query, order matters, both the order of the steps and sometimes the order of the columns. Power Query runs steps from top to bottom in the applied steps. For example, this is my data, and I want to go back to rename this sales amount to just sales. Right, so I rename this column, so now it looks nice. And when I go to the next step, the achieve target suddenly breaks because this is the conditional columns based on the sales amount. And now sales amount column is not here because it is renamed to sales, and Power Query can't find the sales amount column, so it becomes error. What I can do is that I can just rename this back to sales, and now I got the result again. That's why it's best to clean the structure first, like renaming or reorder the data, and then add logic later. Alright, think Power Query like constructing a building. So you first build the structure first, this building structure, and then you add windows, door, and other details after that. When something breaks in Power Query, the first thing to check is always the order of the steps. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.